Hello, YouTube. My name is Corbin, and I have for you today a vanilla JavaScript project that I had for a software engineering boot camp that I'm in. Going into the project, I wanted to have a map, and on that map, I wanted buttons. And when you click a button, I wanted information about a hike to show up on the right-hand side of the screen. So looking at the finished product, I think I pretty much hit the mark. So as you can see, I've got a map of San Diego. And when you hover over these buttons, they change color to let you know that you are hovering over them. And when you click on it, the information pops up on the right-hand side of the screen. Now, each of these is a real hike. I went up and looked up. I tried to make the information as accurate as deemed necessary for the purposes of an educational project. I incorporated a comment section. It was not a requirement to have a login function on your app, but just to show you how this works. You enter your username, you enter your comment, and then below, it's going to add your comment to the bottom of the list. So each of these has their own comments, and if there's no comments, it's going to tell you that. Let's pop up the hood here. I'll show you what's going on in the background. So it's submitting a patch request to a Rails API that I created. And you can see it. This is my controller where I've got my update function. And I'm calling on this build method to build a comment for that hike. I used a serializer to help generate a tidy JSON file to pass to my front end. And I'll show you a glimpse of that. I have a listener event that once the DOM is loaded, it calls on this fetch function that I wrote that generates JavaScript objects for the hikes, and it pushes those into an array. Then I use that array to fill the box using the query selector method. And then I fill the comment box down below. I've got a separate function to update the comment box. That's something I could refactor to eliminate some repetitive code, but all in all, it's not too bad. I feel like it's pretty simple. If you are in a software boot camp too, I hope that this inspires you. Otherwise, let me know your thoughts. And I am looking forward to sharing the React project that I'm working on right now. So, all right, hope you have a good day. Thanks for listening.